BiBaBu.
Aha! Where are you, Flora?
Ha ha! I think I know where she's hiding.
I'm here.
We found you! Ha ha ha!
Hello, friends.
Hello, Little
Mermaid.
Your game is so much fun.
Yes, we are playing hide and seek, and now I will hide.
No, you were hiding last time.
No, I want to hide.
Friends, do not quarrel. Let me hide a magic surprise, and you'll be looking for it all together.
Yes!
Good idea.
Close your eyes now. BiBaBu. Done. No, octopus. The surprise is not there. You are cold.
Maybe here?
Brrr! You are even colder there. Now warmer, Flippy.
Wow. So I'm somewhere near?
And now colder. Warmer, friends. Even warmer. Hot! Octopus! You found it!
Hooray! This is our surprise.
Well done, Octopus!
Wow! This is a surprise egg.
And it's big. Huge.
And colorful. So many colors.
That's right! Do you know the names of all these colors? Who knows the name of this color?
Me. It's red.
Well done! And color is this?
Oh, this is yellow.
That's right. And what is this color called?
It's green.
Right. And this one?
I know. This is blue.
That's right. And what color is this strip?
It is called violet.
Well done. You named all the colors correctly. Hooray!
Now, can we open the magic egg?
What? What's inside it?
Of course. Let's open it together.
Open,
open,
open. Surprise! Ah, small fish.
They are so lovely.
Haha, funny. There are so many of them.
Let's count them.
I can count.
Me too.
Me too.
Then we'll count all together.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
10 fish. There were 10 fish in our surprise egg.
That's right. You did well, my friends. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
Thank you, Little Mermaid.
And thank you. It's time to say goodbye. See you very soon. Bye.
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 Bye.